I'm making a delicious, quick and easy vegan burrito. Chopped onions, a yellow onion, half an onion, green peppers, celery. Add some chickpeas. We're going to add some corn, long grain white rice, carrots, some spinach, a little bit of salt, about 1.5 ounces of soy sauce here, some cornstarch. Put that right in the middle. Let's put some cheese on. Put a little spinach on. Put some tomatoes on. Let's see if we can roll this up. Oh yeah, they're beautiful. Oh yeah. Can you see the chickpeas in there and everything? The tomato and the spinach. Beautiful. Let's get into a little bite. Oh yeah. Man, is that tasty. Can you see it? Boy, you're going to love this one. Okay, that's really delicious.